I've literally never looked back and it's been the best thing that's happened to me. I'm Abby and I'm doing a level 3 production apprenticeship here at BBC Studios. I love the fact that you can earn while you work but also learn off other people who've been in the industry for years and have so much experience. But say again, you're learning in real life situations, you're hands-on on the job, you're faced with situations that a classroom can't always teach you.
Beth sy'n wych am Abby yw, mae hi wedi dod o gefndir siop, gefndir retail fel byddwch chi'n gweud. Mae hi'n dda iawn yn trefnu, mae'n dda iawn yn prep, yn cael gwisgoedd yn barod.
When I first started, I was quite shy, but everyone, again, has been so welcoming and it's been comforting. And also, I feel like my confidence has now come out and it's just nice to be where you want to be, but also feel like you're where you want to be as well at the same time.
A fi'n credu na beth mae Abby wedi gwneud yn dda iawn yw mae hi yn cymryd pob peth mewn. Mae'n amsugno'r holl brofiadau yma a mae'n awyddus iawn. Efallai bod dim y profiad cyn dod yn apprentice neu trainee, ond fi'n credu os mae'r awch dych chi a chi'n awyddus a chi'n barod i ddysgu, 'na'r pethau mwyaf pwysig.